In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to duplicate spaces in ClickUp. ClickUp is an incredibly powerful project management tool that helps you stay organized, streamline your workflow, and collaborate with your team. But did you know that you can save time by duplicating entire spaces, along with their structure and settings? Whether you're creating a similar workspace for a new project or just want to reuse an existing setup, duplicating spaces can make the process much faster and easier. So let's dive in and walk through the steps together. First, open your browser and head over to www.clickup.com. Once you're there, log into your account using your preferred method, whether that's your email and password or one of the supported social login options. If you're new to ClickUp, you can find a link in the description to create an account and get started. Once you're logged in, complete any verification prompts that might pop up, such as entering a code or confirming your identity. These steps ensure the security of your account, so make sure to follow them carefully. Next, check that you're in the correct workspace. You can confirm this by looking at the top area of the homepage, where the name of your current workspace will be displayed. If you have multiple workspaces, you can switch between them as needed to ensure you're working in the right one. Now, turn your attention to the left sidebar where you'll find the Spaces panel. This is where all your spaces are listed. Locate the space you want to duplicate and click on it to open it. Before moving forward, take a moment to verify that this space contains all the folders, lists, views, and statuses you want to copy. It's always a good idea to double-check that everything is set up exactly how you need it before duplicating. Once you've confirmed that you're working with the right space, hover your mouse over the name of the space in the left sidebar. When you do this, a Quick Actions menu will appear. In this menu, click on the three dots icon to open more options. From the drop-down menu, select the option labeled Duplicate. This will open a new window where you can set the details for your duplicated space. Start by entering a clear and descriptive name for the new space. This will help you and your team easily identify it later. Next, you'll have the option to choose what you'd like to copy from the original space. This might include properties, custom fields, tasks, or settings. Simply check the boxes for the items you want to include in the duplicate space. If you're unsure, you can always include everything and adjust it later as needed. After that, you'll need to decide what to do with archived tasks. You can choose not to include them as archived, or include them and unarchive them. Select the option that best fits your needs. When everything is set, click the Duplicate button to confirm. The duplication process will begin, and you just need to wait for it to complete. This may take a moment depending on the size and complexity of the space. Once the duplication is finished, locate the new space in the sidebar. It will appear with the name you set during the duplication process. Open the duplicate space to ensure everything transferred correctly. Check the folders, lists, statuses, custom fields, and views to make sure they match the original space and that nothing important is missing. And that's it. Now you know how to duplicate spaces in ClickUp, saving you time and effort when creating new workspaces. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.